Hello students and welcome to next video of ONS. Today we will see the last type of optical loss that is remaining, which is coupling loss, and then we will see what is OTDR and we will finish this unit. So let's start. We have already studied the losses, different types of losses like scattering loss, dispersion loss, absorption loss. So this is one more type of loss that occurs in fiber optic communication. It is called as coupling losses. In fiber optic communication, we need to couple the fiber either to the transmitter or the source, to the receiver or the detector, and in between also the fibers need to be connected either to another fiber or to repeater, regenerator, and so on. So every time when the fiber is connected, there may be a coupling misalignment present, so due to which loss of optical energy occurs, and these losses are known as coupling losses because they occur whenever we are coupling the fibers. So different types of misalignments are there. In the first diagram, it is the lateral misalignment, or it is also known as axial misalignment. दोन्ही फायबर्सचे ॲक्सिस जर का एक्झॅक्टली एका लाईनमध्ये नसतील तर त्या केसमध्ये लॅटरल मिसअलाइनमेंट होते, बिकॉज ऑफ विच देअर इज लॉस. Second type is longitudinal misalignment, where there is a small gap in between and fibers are not tightly coupled. Then also the coupling losses occur. And third type of misalignment is angular misalignment. In the third diagram, where there is a slight angle present in between the joint of the two fibers, due to which the light may be lost. So in this way we have finished the losses, and let's start with the OTDR. OTDR is optical time domain reflectometer. It is an instrument used for finding the characteristic of a fiber, or finding how the fiber will be introducing the losses or different type of irregularities if present inside that fiber can be find out using OTDR. So it is a fiber optic tester. It allows complete characterization of the fiber. It provides information regarding local losses and reflective elements. It is mainly used to find the place of fault in optical fiber. So OTDR हे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहे की जे आपण ऑप्टिकल फायबरला टेस्टर म्हणून यूज करू शकतो. फायबरमध्ये कुठे इरेग्युलरिटीज असतील, काही लॉसेस येण्याची चान्सेस असतील तर ऑप्टिकल टाइम डोमेन रिफ्लेक्टोमीटर आहे आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायला हेल्प करतं. सो OTDR uses effects of relay scattering and Fresnel reflection. Relay scattering occurs when the light traveling down the fiber encounters small material variations and discontinuities in the refractive index. सो हे स्कॅटरिंग कधी ऑकर होतं जेव्हा इरेग्युलॅरिटीज असतील फायबरमध्ये, करेक्ट, काही व्हेरिएशन्स असतील मटेरियलमध्ये, तर त्या केसमध्ये रिले स्कॅटरिंग होतं आणि हे स्कॅटरिंग OTDRमध्ये डिटेक्ट केलं जातं. द लाईट इज स्कॅटर्ड इन ऑल डायरेक्शन्स. Fresnel reflections occur when the light encounters abrupt variations in the material properties that are caused by a break or air gap or connectors. So whenever there is variation in material properties, reflection will occur, and OTDR can also find out the reflections also. So we also have backscatter. Backscatter means when we introduce the light, it may be scattered at the source only. As the light is scattered in all directions, some of it happens to return back along the fiber to the light source. The returned light is known as backscatter. As the name indicates, black scatter or backscatter means when light is introduced, it is scattered in all directions. Some of the light is returned to the source. Hence the name is backscatter. It is not black scatter, it is backscatter. The OTDR sends short light pulses and continuously measures the return power level and hence reduces the losses involved. So the working is like radar only. How long is the fiber? We launch a pulse from OTDR. That pulse is sent through the fiber which is under test, and it finds out if there is Fresnel reflection present or relay scattering present, and we can characterize the fiber. So as we know the operation of radar मध्ये सुद्धा आपण सेम वर्किंग प्रिन्सिपल यूज करतो. वी सेंड सेट ऑफ पल्सेस, वी वेट फॉर द echo, then we analyze the echo and we find out the target. Similarly here also we send optical pulse, analyze the optical echoes. So whenever we receive the optical echoes, we get to know whether or irregularities between the material, or there is some variations in refractive index and so on. Okay, so the display of OTDR, it can be a CRT or an LCD. It displays the return signal in XY plot, the range across x-axis and power level in dB along y-axis. So x-axis वरती रेंज म्हणजेच डिस्टन्स आहे आणि वाय ॲक्सिस वरती रिटर्न सिग्नलची पॉवर लेवल डीबी मध्ये, डेसिबल मध्ये. सो इन दिस वे द एकोज आर डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन. दिस इज द डिस्प्ले when there is no signal present, and here you have signal present. OTDR ला एक कनेक्टर कनेक्ट करून आपण फायबर इंटरफेस करतो, त्याच्यामध्ये टेस्ट सिग्नल सेंड करतो. So see the graph below. The first peak, the first high amplitude is Fresnel reflection from launch connector. So at that connector some light is back scattered or reflected back. Then we have another blip present, that is due to Fresnel reflection from end of fiber, and we have also noise present. So in this way we get to know if any variations in the fiber. Okay, and we can measure the attenuation with respect to length. म्हणजे सपोज इथे आपण 500 मीटर्स लेंथ असलेला फायबर घेतला आहे. ओके, सो जिथे जिथे आपल्याला मध्ये डिस्टर्बन्स येतोय तिथे आपल्याला ॲम्प्लिट्यूड वाढलेली दिसते या बॅकस्कॅटरची किंवा रिसिव्ड इको सिग्नलची. ओके, सो ते किती डिस्टन्सवरती प्रेझेंट आहेत इरेग्युलरिटीज हे आपण याच्यावरून कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. जसं फॉर एक्झाम्पल 132.6 वरती आपल्याला इथे अटेन्युएशन मिळते -10.8 dBचं. 372.4 मीटर डिस्टन्सला -11.2 dBचं अटेन्युएशन मिळते. सो वी नो दॅट दिस 500 मीटर केबल has attenuation of this much at this length. So we can calculate the attenuation coefficient also. So actually OTDR इथे डायग्राम मध्ये दिसते ते इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहे. इट इज अ स्मॉलर OTDR. अजून एक आपण सुरुवातीला बघितलं होतं, दॅट इज अ बिगर इन्स्ट्रुमेंट. सो टिपिकली OTDRचा डिस्प्ले असा दिसतो. We have distance on x-axis, attenuation on y-axis. फायबर अंडर टेस्ट आहे, त्याच्या लेंथ वाईज कुठल्या कुठल्या लेंथला काय काय लॉसेस ऑकर होत आहेत ते आपल्याला स्क्रीनवरती दिसणार. लाईक फॉर एक्झाम्पल फर्स्ट वी हॅव कनेक्टर पेअर, देन फ्युजन स्प्लाइस इज देअर, सो वी हॅव स्लाइट चेंज, देन a small increase in amplitude is seen at connector pair, then fiber end is there, then mechanical splice and fiber end. So this is just example. या पद्धतीने तुम्ही कुठल्याही फायबरला टेस्ट करू शकता. सो आपल्याला आधी जर का माहीत असेल की फायबर किती अटेन्युएशन ऑफर करतोय, देन वी कॅन डिसाइड वेदर दॅट फायबर इज टू बी used in the communication system or not, or proper precautions can be taken. We can localize the fault also. In case of fiber cut due to various reasons like rodents, road repairs, etc., the position of the cut should be identified. Since optical fibers are sent underground, it is difficult with manually digging all through the and finding the cut. So practically it is not possible every time you dig the road and you find out the cable and then you find out where it is cut, right? So we use OTDR instead of that. We will proceed with OTDR and find if the length of fiber obtained from test is same as that in the roads, and to check if there is a cut and its location. So we have finished this unit. Till now whatever syllabus we have covered is there for unit test 1, and from next video we will start the next unit. Okay, so we have finished these 2 units. Thank you for watching.